CPM. After I explain how consumers and producers interact or how they make rational decisions, you can say how they interact. Interact through your price mechanism. Okay. This is the paragraph that has a diagram. The first part, there's no diagram. Okay. Wow, I can memorize one. It's all rehearsed. Okay. So here, I'm gonna say D0, D1, S, P, Q, assuming there is a demand for chicken rice goes up. Okay, quantity of chicken rice. So assume demand goes up maybe because of a change in taste and preference. Maybe because people are worried about swine flu. So they switch away from other meats. Okay. This is your P0. This is QS, QD. At original price, P0, a shortage of QD minus QS results. Okay, when you have a shortage, it leads to upward pressure on price. Does this look somewhat familiar? It is your price adjustment process, right? From DDSS universe. There's upward pressure on price. As price rises, can anyone tell me, for the consumer, what is the price representing? For consumers, price equals their what? Marginal cost. Very good. Marginal cost, okay, rises for consumers. So naturally, they will consume less, which means a fall in quantity demanded. To a producer, higher price is good news. To the producer, this means marginal revenue goes up. They produce more. Therefore, increased quantity supplied. This happens. It's basically the same thing, PAP or MAP, whatever you call it, all right, until the new equilibrium is reached at P1, Q1. Okay, and no tendency for further change. Okay, so when there's no tendency for further change, consumer surplus, producer surplus are maxed at P1 and Q1. Hang on, Okay. And then you can say social welfare is maximized. AE is achieved. Okay, some schools, if they're familiar, they can even say price equals to marginal cost. A is achieved. But if you don't say it, it's okay as well. Right? So this is one example of how you can be tested on rational behavior in an essay, 10 marks. I will very quickly show you version 2, then we go on to case study equivalent. Okay, so don't waste. Every theme we try to extrapolate into 2 possible formats. I know some of you are tested on just case studies, right? But still, the same intuition applies. Are there any questions? Right? So when you ask about rational behavior, you can use CPM.